In this video, I'm going to show you how to get secret plants and seeds in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So I'm not talking about just usual ones, I'm talking about like pineapples, raspberries, peaches, and more. So as you can see, I don't currently have any growing in my garden over here, but if you were to go to the seeds man over here and you want to talk to him, to the Sam, and you want to see this, as you can see, there's actually no way to get it. So we've got mango seeds, we've got dragon fruit, cactus, coconut, bamboo, apple, pumpkin, watermelon, corn, etc. However, you may have seen some people who have pineapples, raspberries, peaches, and even more different, crazier fruits on their farms over here on their gardens. So if I just go over here, I'll probably be able to find a few that aren't really obtainable inside a garden or two, okay? So what I actually wanted to show you over here is that you can actually get these, and it's quite easily. Now, the way you can get these, they can just spawn and you can get them via these super seeds over here. Now, of course, you can get those super seeds by just purchasing them with Robux over here, so you can buy them, but of course you don't have to spend Robux to get them because there's a way to get them for free. And to get those seeds for free, it's actually quite simple. You just want to scroll down over here, you want to press Q on your keyboard, scroll down, and you can see the Forever Pack. Now over here, sometimes it shows up, you can get those seeds. Now as you can see, it looks the same, Super Seed Pack, this is it over here, the rainbow ones. Now, of course, this right now says that it costs Robux. However, whenever you log in, each and every single day, when this timer runs out, you can claim a new free item. So, as you can see, tomorrow I'll be able to claim this over here. So, this Super Seed Pack, which is limited edition. And then once you get this, you can just plant it down on your farm. And after you do that, I mean on your garden, not on your farm, once you plant that down, you have a chance to get one of those epic secret plants that you don't even know existed. Now, those can be, as I said, pineapples, raspberries, peaches, and even more stuff that we don't yet know about because, of course, we haven't yet seen it. So that's pretty much it. That's the only way to get it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.